Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Short? Yeah, I was in a short position. I just got stopped out break even, unfortunately. Good morning. Eduardo Lopez. Good morning, man. The hourly candles close pretty bearish. I think ideally we leave this gap. All right, we're already closing the gap. I was gonna say if we leave this gap and started to go down, this would have been pretty nice. Would have a really good direction of which way New York was gonna go in the beginning, but. How many minutes to market open? 26 minutes? Nice. Plenty of time. Yeah, I really wouldn't say I'm bullish on this market. Kind of want to retrace a lot of that probably want to retrace most of this rally that we had. Daily day trade. Good morning, man. Really want to short this. I'm in. It looks like it's breaking out. 239. It's like actually pretty close to a key level. It's not very asymmetric in the direction that I want this trade. Let's see if we can get this. Quick little scalp. Probably gonna end up moving my stop down here pretty soon. points. Oops. I'm trying to make sure my trade copier is working. It is, okay. Cool. Quick little scalp. There's a key level here, so I didn't really want to take it past this. At 240 key level. Getting a little resistance off that key level. Another level down at 193. Did I take a payoff from this account? No, this is actually a fresh eval. Oh wow, this dumped a lot further than I thought it would. It's crazy, markets didn't even open yet. Hold on guys, give me 1 second. Right. I'm back. Or here. Looks like bearish distribution. We have a key level. Our ES has a key level at 596. Maybe this can come back up to value around like 270. Yeah, big level on bookmap at 270. It lines up right with value area, so. Yeah. Have a good day at work. How's about those? Good morning, man. Alright, we are getting that bearish distribution here. We gotta actually be careful for this. If we're able to hold this key level, this could actually, it could be potentially up for the day. ES is trying to hold that similar level right now. Might be getting our bearish distribution here. Let's see. I'm actually gonna sell into this. Let's see if we can get it. If this is distributing bearishly, this will at least clear our low. We can look to clear Asia low here. If we're finding too much support on this key level, I'm probably just gonna close out this position, but if we can start to close these lows, then I'll continue to move my stop down. But if this starts to like come up, starts doing this, I'll probably just honestly just leave this trade. We're getting pretty close to market open too, so if it's not looking too good, I don't really want to be in like I don't want to be in a position that's in drawdown before New York Open. So there it is. Come on. Nice. This is just one of our setups, right? When we get bearish distribution, you either take the long off of off of this no longer being bearish, which would be this high getting taken. Otherwise, you look for break of structure to the downside and take the short. Let's see if this could keep going. I would say my only concern is that ES has already taken its low at 583. So NQ hasn't taken its low yet, which is at 193. But ES has already taken that low, so I don't know if ES really wants to chug down here. Big bookmap level at 200. Is that where our stop is? No, that's actually after or before. I wonder if we get front ran on this. I'll just move my. I'm just gonna take my TP at the low. There's a big bookmap level right below this. I don't really want to get front ran on this, especially like right before New York Open too. So. And I'm more than okay getting stopped out break even on this trade. So if this starts to chug down and I have my stop at break even, but just say at New York Open this like rockets up or something, I'd rather get stopped out break even than take the full L. I might just set this break even right now. I'm gonna set a break even now. If it doesn't want to hold this low here, it's probably gonna take us out. So I'm just gonna set a break even. I wanted to start closing below this. Chart templates don't work, right? Stopped out. Oh, templates do work now. Oh, nice. Okay, I got stopped out of this, guys. I think, yeah, this could still be going if this is bearish. But like I said, the only thing I'm really worried about is that ES already took its low. So this could like potentially Batman too. But if I had to just flip a coin and go in, I would still be short on this. This is technically London. We were being bearish off this key level now. Let's see if we can keep bouncing off. Honestly, if this keeps bouncing off, this will be pretty good for us. So 7 minutes to market open. So ideally we want this Batman, right? Kind of on the macro. That'll give us like really good direction, a really nice short here. Get 300 point shorts. But we also have some bases here. So something like this, right? There's definitely a possibility as well. So we may never even, I can't talk. We may never even fill this gap and just kind of chug up. If we can hold this level. Daily close bearish. Yeah. I'm definitely bearish on this. That doesn't mean that we can't come up and retest a lot of these. What is this? Retest a lot of these levels up here again before coming down, but I'm definitely bearish. Yeah, our EMAs are flipped. Wait, it's kind of difficult to use your EMAs in a kind of in a range. We're definitely in some sort of range right now. All right, how many points is this? Oh, that's a 300 point move. You know, I'm definitely bearish on this and filling this gap, but like this is possible, right? And there's a lot of room for upside here as well. If you can't break through a lot of these levels. I do think the key level that we have to look out for today is this hourly level at 248. $248, 255? What level? Where is that? Yeah, 248. If this gets broken on the hourly, I think we'll be more confident that we see the dump. And if we can't break it on the hourly, then I'd be a little more cautious of a deeper retrace. Maybe at least till VWAP. $9.45 red folder. Let's check. We have red folder today? Oh, we do. PMI. I don't think it's. I don't think it'll be too volatile, PMI. Maybe unemployment claims on Thursday. That could be a little volatile. How many points is that? 20 points. Pop. Few minutes till market opens. We're still getting that bearish distribution. Primary reject, nice. Rejecting off value. Yeah, if we continue and we start to break down, I'm definitely gonna look short. I don't know if I really want to look long. Never mind, this is shooting up. Reject again. So make it up to VWAP. Ooh, that's a big move. I might start to look off of that. Oh wow, that dumped right before. That's a little unfortunate. I was trying to get up here. That was a pretty fast dump. Alright, I want my stop right above this candle wick. I'm in a single contract. We'll see if we can add to this. Definitely aiming for Asia low here. Well, that's pretty good actually. I'd like to add into this. Alright, I'm gonna get a second contract in. Oh wow, that's a little unfortunate. I may get stopped out of this. Nice. Can that keep going? Big book map level at 200. Let's see if we can get 200 here. We need to reject here. Nice. That's value area low for NQ and also a key level for ES. So they're both kind of rejecting at the same time. The longer we stay kind of under, for NQ, we want to stay under 246. 46. ES, we want to stay under, what is that? 596. It's looking good. How many points is this? We're looking at like 60 points here. Good push. I'm actually gonna set this slightly in profit now. This could yoink on us, so I'm being a little careful here, but right now I do want this to flush. Market is looking pretty heavy. Can we take 210? 200? 200, big level at 200? Tapping into it. More orders coming in at 200. I want to see if we can hit 193. I got one contract off. Move my stop into profit here, and then let's see if we can hit the second TP. I might even look to trail my stop here. Depends on how this closes. I think this can go further. I'm gonna move my stop down actually for my TP. $141. I'm gonna look at 141 while I'm trailing my stop. This is big. Good movement. Market is heavy right now. Let's go. 140, 135, 140, 135. Trailing my stop. Big level at 130. I personally wouldn't want to take this past 142 here. There is another big level at 142, but it's not quite as big as the level at 130. Oh, nice. TP hit. Oh, I should. Oh, I hit consistency on the account. Oh, let's go. Good stuff, guys. Oh man, I wish I took that on my XFA. What a clean move. That was a really, really clean move. Look at that. No up candles during that move. That's what we want to see. Let's go, guys. Yeah, 142 is as low as I wanted to take this. Bounced like right off of like 140, 142. Huge bounce off of 142. Good stuff, guys. Nice trade. What was my confluence to take the trade? Super simple. Literally, kind of all I really look for entry is break a structure off a key level. So we have these two key levels marked out, right? You see these two lines? We literally just broke structure here off this low, and I entered in. I tried to get in earlier, but this dropped like I was trying to get in up here. This dropped like 20 points like instantly, like while I was like pressing my join ask button, and it got me in. It filled me at like 250 when I was trying to get in at like 270, which is quite unfortunate. Yeah, this is still distributing bearishly. I would not be long this market, guys. Market is heavy right now. I might start a new Hypertix, another funded account on Hypertix. Let's see. Yeah, this account's I just started 5 new Lucid accounts today. they are all already at consistency, so I'll trade them tomorrow. I'm going to start a new Hypertix Instant Pro right now. I'm trying to get another one. There we go. I'm not bullish on this at all whatsoever. Work structure down. 12 minutes until the hourly closes. I want to see if I can get another short in. I would like this to come up a little bit further. Oh, that's already breaking down.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna get in on position. Oh, that's a good push up. Let's see if that can get sold off. Damn. I was actually hoping that would leave a gap. Nice.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get another one in. I would want to take this down to 91. Nice. That's a good push down. We can look to take one off. So 91 is definitely the level I'm looking at for. Man, I think this can go down further, but I want to look at 91. That 140, 130 level is still okay to take some profit. So I'm gonna set mine at 132. Let's see if we can get down to 132. That's all I'll take my first one off. We had our base here, right? We broke structure on the 15 second. We entered in short. Oh, that was weird. Nice. I almost want to get another one in here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go one more in. Alright, I'm gonna set it into profit. Just in case this yoinks on us, but market's really heavy right now. I don't see this coming up right, or at the moment at least. Maybe small retraces. We are hitting second deviation. I want to see us start to break second deviation here. Yeah, kind of looking on the chart, there's like nothing really standing in the way. Let me just dump. 131. How do I set a limit order? Oh, that's how you do it. Yeah, I'll still be down to take one off at 132 to be safe. There we go. That might have. Come on, let's fill me. I think it's a little greedy to not just mark it out of this, at least one contract. Man, come on. Dang, that might have been a little greedy of me. Oh, I'll hold on to it. Dang it, dude. You gotta be kidding me. I get stopped out here.
Order filled.
Alright, stopped out. Bro, you gotta be kidding me, man. That's so unlucky. Dang, I got a little greedy there. Still not bullish on this. No levels we really hit. Man, that's unfortunate. Sorry guys, I haven't got to your guys' questions. Give me a second. Oh, sorry Jeff. Sorry guys, on Discord. I keep on forgetting to switch the screen. Let me just stream my entire screen. There you go. My bad, Jeff. I forgot to switch over the Discord screen. Sorry, let me get to your guys' questions. There's a lot of questions. Are you trading full time or working anything besides? I do have another business that I do run. But I would say most of my income is from trading. What happened to the funded account? I still have the funded account. We're just working on other accounts. I might get back in on this short. Let me go to the minute chart. Five minutes. I'm gonna wait for the hourly candle. It's that level that we've been talking about. If we can't close above, can't close above 246. We're way below 246 right now. This is looking pretty bearish. I might actually want to be in the short right now. what was your confluences to take the trade? Where do you get the bases? Bases are just support and resistance levels. Anywhere where price has wicked off of, anywhere price is just unable to close below, close above. I like to use the bases that are right before any sweeping move. I find those to be like the most confluent. Give me a second, guys. I need to. These are huge buyers at 141. Oh yeah. Very, very big buyers. I believe that's buyers. Let me see. Is that a liquidity marker? Hourly close. Hourly did not close yet. Hourly is actually trying to fight for the previous low at like 190, 194. Let's see if this hourly can close before or close below. I'm still fairly bearish on this market. I want to see us come down and hit 91, ideally. If we do start getting accepted back in value though, you can probably see us come back up to VWAP. It couldn't close below this level, but it closed below our key level at 246. I don't have 246 marked out on this chart. Let me mark it out here. That's 246. We are back in value though. Can we take 246? If we take this, I might be long. Dang, there's like no way we take 246 here. My deep charts might be broken. Why are the candles not updated? There it is. We're like breaking structure to the upside on the 1. But not taking 246 is not very bullish here. Get any sort of breakdown. It's not looking bad on the 15.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try the short. Stop at the high. My TP will still be 91. There it is. Big drop. Market's heavy. Let's go. Come on. Let's get a really hard rejection off of 246 here. Wow. That got bought up like instantly. $996 is also a key level for ES. It's been having trouble closing over that, but it's definitely trying. I think if ES closes over 996, this trade might be done. I am watching ES right now as well. So hope it can close below. Hold on, guys. I'm going to reload this real quick. The candles are like not updating, so. We need to start coming below value. Value low is like right here, and we're just, oops. Not able to close underneath value right now. I'd say deep charts might be broken. Why are my candles not updating? Dang, I'm getting another wick up from the bottom of value. It's not good. Buyers are holding this, man. I might look to get out of this, guys. Might be a little too late. I was super close to just exiting too. Dang.
Order filled.
Yeah, unfortunate. Very unfortunate. Yeah, price is back in value. I think off of that second wick, I should have been out of this trade. So guys, I'll get to your guys' questions in a bit. NQ is like not updating its candles. Do you guys see this? It's like on the same exact candle. Or deep charts, not NQ. I might try to bid this. Man, I'm so... That is not bullish to me at all. It'd be very, very counter trend if I try to long this. We don't have our IB yet. Maybe bidding it was the move. The ES is breaking structure to the upside like so confidently right now that I want to long NQ. The NQ is not as strong structurally as ES right now. We already took some really big trades today, though. You guys, if you guys can like and subscribe for me, I will. Number one, I'll appreciate it. Number two, we'll do a giveaway for a Lucid account today. So let's try to get to 100 likes. We'll give away one Lucid account. We'll duck race for it. Or we can play Kahoot. Maybe we'll Kahoot for the giveaway account. Nice. Well, I'm kind of liking this.
Order
I'm
fill.
short.
Order fill.
I'm gonna be in two cons here. I want to see if this can run. Move my stop down. There we go. Market's looking heavy again. Let's see if we can break their value here. This is gonna be really important. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Come on. Oops. TV's gonna be done at 91. Let me draw this out. Let's go, guys. Let's go and break even. I might look to add into this actually. Right back up to value. We wanted to see a reject off value here. That's not good. I want to see that rejection off value. 15 seconds left on this candle. Dang, this might top me out. Oh, that's crazy, man. That's crazy, chop, if this takes me out. You see how like my candle's not updating? It's not like the same exact candle. want to see this lose value here. This is looking great. Market's looking really heavy, guys. This is really bothering me that these candles aren't updating though. What's wrong with deep shorts right now? Alright, well, either way, we're in another banger right now. Already down. How many points are we up in profit? What are we at? From 31? We're already like 35 points in. It's already another break even or winning trade, so. Yeah, the 5 minutes putting a lot of wicks, and it's like not wanting to close below value right now. But higher time frame structure is very bearish. But I'm not bullish on this at all. Like, I don't want to be taking longs. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'd only take shorts right now. Unless MQ flipped its VWAP, that would be like the only thing. But right now, it just is looking short. Just, do we have a good entry into this? I don't know. This might want to come up more. Oh, get filled out. So it might want to come up more before it goes down. Unfortunate. Stop down a little bit profit, like 200 bucks. But I am not bullish on this still. Alright. Let me just chill. I'm still looking short, if anything, but I think I'm just kind of chilling here until we get our IB, which is in 10 minutes, and then we can probably play the IB. This is looking like our IB here. Let's make our initial balance a different color. Make it green. Oops. I'm gonna mark this one orange. This is kind of our kilo that we're watching right now. As long as we don't cover this, we want to stay under 246. If 246 gets taken, I think we can probably aim for our VWAP, and then if VWAP gets taken, I definitely be long. But until 246 gets taken, I'm still bearish on this. Five minutes putting in a lot of wicks. Also, just FYI, guys, if I wasn't streaming, I'd be off for the day. Just letting you guys know, the edge is gonna diminish as we continue to trade. Especially, you know, as we get closer to like New York lunch hour. The edge is just not quite there. We already had like 2 good moves, 2 good trades. So if you guys are agreed on the day, I would honestly just call it. If you guys are like slightly red on the day, I would honestly probably still call it too. It's better to just chalk it up and trade tomorrow. Or trade like PM session when you get a little bit more volume into the market. That's what I would do personally, but we're trading for funsies. Nice. So there's that short move thing. I was looking to get short on this if we started to test 246 again. It didn't quite come up. But I might look here. See if we can get a little retrace on that down move. I'm gonna try to get in on this.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna get in. We might stop up a little bit. 91 is still my target. I really want to hit 91 here. Wow, weather is really bad today. Yeah, I'll probably afford like one more loss on this account. It's a fresh funded or instant funded, so I'll take a stab at one more trade, and then if this one fails, we'll probably just chill, and we'll see if we can get to 100 likes so we can do our giveaway. And you know, if we're not really getting too many likes, then we'll probably just call the stream. We're right at value low. Or can I get instant funded accounts? I like the hyperticks, the one I'm trading right now. So like it depends. If you're okay with consistency, I would say like top one has pretty good instant fundeds, but I just hate consistency rule. The hyperticks account has no consistency in its end of day drawdown. The only like catch on the account is that the daily loss limit is a hard breach, so you just don't want to hit the daily loss limit. But it's like the daily loss limit, it's pretty wide. On the 50K, it's 1,250. So it gives you like 1,000 1K buffer like on the account, right? But it's no consistency, which is just, I don't know. It's pretty easy to get payouts out of these, so they're definitely worth it, in my opinion. If this candle breaks on the one, I'm gonna look to add into this. Actually, I'm gonna add into it now.
Order filled.
Dude, this is like starting to really bother me. The candles aren't updating. What the heck is going on?
Order filled.
Oh, I got stopped out. Oh, maybe that was a bad ad. It looked like it was breaking down. Alright, well, that is my last L on the day. I'm just gonna try to end the day green. We have 5 evals, like halfway to passing today off that first initial trade, so yeah, guys, I think I'll just call it today. We already had a pretty good day today, so yeah. End the day early. Like, this is the beauty of trading, guys. Like, you make money early, and now you have the rest of the day to yourself. Kind of do what you want to do. So yeah, one of our VIP members took the 2 dubs in the beginning and just hopped off. So that's what you want to do. Good call, no giveaway. Yeah, I mean, we're at like 20 likes with like almost 100 viewers. I think it's gonna take a little while to get to 100 likes, and I think I'm done trading for the day, to be honest. I don't really want to trade anymore. I don't want to breach this account. I know myself. If I keep trading, I'm gonna breach this account. I don't really want to work on any other evals either. So like we already got 5 lucid evals to consistency in the morning. I think it's better to just be done for the day. Oh, there's that test on 456. But yeah, I'm probably off for the day, guys. Yeah. Which account is the best to get? At Hypertick, it's the Instant Pro Plus. Personally, I like the 100Ks, but the 50Ks are really nice too. Yeah, I'm only trading like 100K at a time, but if you're copy trading, the 50Ks are probably better. And if you do use the code JMK, we do giveaways. Like Hypertix has sponsored giveaway accounts every week for me. So if you use the code JMK, every Friday/Saturday, either one of those days, depending on my dashboard updates, I'm giving away Hypertix accounts. So yeah, make sure you use the code JMK, and I'll just give you guys more accounts. Alrighty. Oh, there's that hard rejection off 246. That's what we were wanting. Yeah, patience was a little lacking for me, I guess, today. That would have been a solid trade there. No, this is a fresh one. I got another one. But yeah. Recoil trades, Instant Pro Plus, that's the one I recommend. That's the one with no consistency. So definitely check out the specs on it. The only real gotcha is that the daily loss limit, it's hard breach. So just be careful with that. Other than that, it's pretty much just like an instant flex account. Alright guys, I am gonna hop off for the day. Good trades, let's go. Big dubs, guys. I'll be on tomorrow. Take some more dubs tomorrow. Alright, peace out, guys.